Welcome doctors, professionals, and most of all colleagues. My name is Andrew Sedler. It is my privilege to introduce to you Burbank Dental Laboratory and the Advanced Technology Center. Our family has been doing this for 60 years. 3 core values have emerged.
Our core values at Burbank Dental Laboratory drive everything that we do. It is our brand, it's who we are.
Making it personal, pursuit of excellence, and going that extra mile.
I've worked at big labs and I've worked at small labs. I like to think of Burbank Dental Lab as kind of like a Goldilocks lab. It's not too big, it's not too small, but it's just right.
There's a million choices for laboratories out there, and we need to be able to step it up and show that we are, going to go above and beyond. We'll follow through. We've been in business for many years. It's family owned and operated, and you can feel it.
We feel like we spend most of the time here in the laboratory, and this is our maybe first family. The second family is at home.
We've grown immensely over the years, but I think that with that, we take a lot of care in making sure that nothing falls through the cracks with our team approach.
We have implemented a 3-tier team where we work with our sales rep and then the technical advisor who would be diagnosing on the cases, different materials. We have bite questions, clearance issues, and then the customer service rep that would get together, and we basically take that team approach to service the individual client.
Working with Burbank Dental Lab for me is really like working with friends. I have a person that I call and they know me and they know my style of dentistry, they know what I expect. So when I call and I ask questions or requests, it literally for me is like having a lab in my office.
Every technician knows that each case is a patient and each case is personal and unique, and even more importantly, every step that they do is important.
Any dentist that's looking for a good laboratory will be looking for a laboratory that we're working at, because we specialize in service, we specialize in high-end technicians.
Our training that our technicians go through is at least quarterly. We're always trained up on the newest and greatest.
Our tagline is Smiles by Design, and so we want to take the technology as it advances and use it as a tool to get us to the end goal, and that is creating beautiful smiles that work in a patient's mouth the way that they're supposed to.
What we're fabricating here is an extension of another human being, and I take that into consideration with each and every case.
We know that every case is personal for a doctor, so it's personal for us.